Hi, welcome to this video. In this video, we will learn what is an access control list and how it helps us to control who can see and use different features in the system. It's a simple way to manage permissions and keep our data safe. Let's say, for example, we have a doctor, receptionist and an assistant. The doctor can access everything, the receptionist can manage appointments and the assistant may only view certain details. This is exactly what ACL will help us to do. With the help of ACL, we can keep the data secure, avoid mistakes by limiting access, give the right permission to the right person to manage things easily. So let's get started and see how this works. Let's click on My Account. This will help us to go to our hub. On the hub, let's click on Utilities. Under Utilities, we'll find ACL configuration as our last option. Let's click on it. We have to create the ACL role. So let's click on Create New button. When we click on Name, we'll be able to select the role. Currently, there are 5 roles. Workspace is default access. This gets applied by default for all the users. Apart from that, we have nurse, doctor, queue coordinator and appointment scheduler. Right now, I am creating ACL role for queue coordinator. So, I am selecting this option. And here we can find the options to deny permission. So, I have selected under Abha access to create or manage Abha to deny permission for this particular user. Similarly, we can select the options one by one. Once we are done selecting the options, we can simply click on Save. With this, we have created a new ACL role. Now, the next step is to apply it on the user. So, let's click on User Management. Let's click on Users. I want to apply the ACL role for this user. So let's click on this option here, which is the Edit button. At the bottom, we'll find role. We have to click on this option here and we have to select the ACL role. After adding it, we have to click on Save in order to apply the changes that we have made. So let's click on Save. With this, we have seen how to apply the ACL role on the users too. And this is how we'll be able to create ACL role and we'll be able to apply it on the users. Thank you for watching.